you can tell how obvious this is. Listen. Just shouting gibberish and stomping on the floor. Now, it was happening over here in the bedroom before, right? In the bedroom. Now it's moved when I went into the other room. It's moved over to here on the side here. So it's just nonstop. And yeah, excessive noise. This is not something someone would do when you're renting like an Airbnb, right? You wouldn't do that naturally. It could be that they hired some drug addict and put him in there and just told him to make excessive noise. That's possible, but regardless, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyway. So I'm here now. I've come into the other room, the main room, and you can hear in that area there where the bedroom is, where I was trying to sleep because I worked all night last night. They have this person first stomping on the floor continually, tapping on the floor, and then half screaming, half singing, over and over again continually. So I've come here for a few days away from the place where I live. Just paid some money to come here for a few days away, and right away they put people in to do noise harassment. Yesterday they also had people banging on the ceiling, intentionally dropping things down over and over on the floor up above, where the room is, where the bedroom is, where I was sleeping. It's that room there beyond the door there. That's where the bedroom is. So I've come out here into the main room. You can still hear that person half singing, half screaming over and over above the room there. And they were also stomping on the floor earlier. So you can see like when you go somewhere like this and you're targeted, it always they do something like they'll put somebody in there and probably pay for the place for them and just give them the instructions to do this. It's so, I mean, it's so obvious, but yeah, so that's what's going on now. And again, I've recorded this. I'm going to be sending it to the host, and it's been 2 days it's been going on. I had to go to work last night, and then I came back here, and it started again consistently today, throughout the day, so that I haven't been able to get much sleep. Been back for like 4 hours now. I haven't been able to get much sleep because of this. So what I'm going to do is record it, send it to the host, and request a refund. So yeah, but that's what happens. I mean, and it continually, when I go to one of these places, most of the time they'll always try something like this. And it's not, there's no way someone could say that this is coincidental when it, when it happens so many times, the same thing, banging on the floor. And then just this time now, they know I'm recording it, right? So they're not going to just keep, right now they've changed it up a little bit. They're not going to keep banging on the floor for like hours on end. They're going to do it a little bit. And then they have this person just screaming, half singing, half screaming, directly above the bedroom where they know I'm going to be sleeping. Right? So, and again, there's cameras in this place and a lot of these places now, so they know. Yeah, yesterday when I got up, I had to go into the other room. I was going into the washroom, and right as soon as I get to the door and open the door, boom, boom, right above the washroom, stomping. So yeah, that's the way it goes with this noise harassment stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be getting a refund here. I mean, should be, because I'm going to provide them with evidence of this. Again, stomping on the floor continually.